always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. Today I'm so excited because I'm sharing with you guys my mommy morning routine of a toddler while being pregnant. I am currently 26 weeks pregnant and I have a 2-year-old, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how some of our mornings go. This is not every single morning. Some mornings my husband gets up with my daughter and lets me sleep in, but typically when I get up with her, this is how our mornings go. But I want to go ahead and thank you, Sutera, for sponsoring today's video. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about them a little bit later on in this video. Right now, I'm just going ahead and starting off my morning with a chai tea latte. I gave Evelyn a little yogurt to start off with. She is such a little snacker. We eat like 5 breakfasts between me and her. Normally, our mornings start at different time every single morning. It just depends on how the day and the night before went. Evelyn, like I said, is 2. She no longer naps, so some nights she will go to bed between, every single night she goes to bed between 7 and 7:30, but on the nights she goes to bed at 7 versus 7:30 really can throw off the time in the morning. So some mornings she is up at 6 a.m., other mornings we are not up until 8. It honestly all just depends on her, but every single morning once we wake up, this is typically what we do. It's just not the time every single morning that is the same once we wake up.
You had me at hello.
I am not a morning person, so I'm very thankful that Evelyn typically does not wake up at like 5 every single morning. There are some days, I'd say maybe once every 2 weeks, that she'll get up around 5:30. Some nights, you know, she's a toddler, she's growing, her nights are just thrown off. Every single night and morning is not perfect. So I'm a slow person in the morning. We typically I drink my tea. I eat some muffins in the morning, those little bite muffins. She'll snack on a yogurt. She's also eating an apple right now, and she is obsessed with watching, I think it's called like Spookily the Christmas Cat, or something with a pumpkin and a cat on Disney Channel. She is obsessed with, so we have been watching that almost every single morning, but it's just really nice to sit here, relax with her, chat with her, and snuggle and get some mommy and me time in. Watching.
What a dog. Hi, dog.
Oh, she wants to do the Snapchat dog filter. What are we watching on TV? What is that? What is that? What is that?
I made the boat.
A what? Pumpkin. Pumpkin and the kitty cats? Kitty cats. I'm just gonna sit here and finish my tea. My face is so puffy in the morning. And then get up and make breakfast. You wanna make a smoothie?
Mommy.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Okay, I got it. Got it? Okay, now where's the lid? Right here. Oh, that's the wrong way. We need Here, 1 second, I gotta get the other stuff too. Yeah. We gotta get our milk, right? No apples in this one. Okay, here, how to make our milk first. Here. Put them in.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of town.
Some mornings our breakfast vary. Like this morning we woke up, she had that yogurt and apple, and then she wanted to make a smoothie. So we made a smoothie. This was around 7:45, 8 o'clock. And then around 10 a.m., I didn't film this part because the morning routine was kind of over. But around 10 a.m., we went ahead and had pancakes. So that just kind of shows you how our mornings go with breakfasts. But yeah, she was adorable making that smoothie. It is like her new thing. She's obsessed with it. Next, I go ahead and go into the bathroom. Some mornings, Evelyn will lay in my bed and watch something, or she will jump in the bath. I kind of give her the option. So she went ahead and took a bath this morning. My husband is already downstairs doing what he needs to do for the day. So right now I'm just going ahead and applying all my makeup. I will have everything linked down below that I use. I use a lot of IT Cosmetics. I love their foundation and their under eye concealer. It is perfect for motherhood, being a pregnant, being a mom of a toddler, not getting a lot of sleep at nighttime. It is perfect to go ahead and cover up your dark circles. So I will have all of my makeup linked down in the description box. Next, I go ahead and do my hair. At this time, Evelyn was out with her dad I forget what they were doing. They were doing something in the living room. But at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and continue straightening my hair. I straighten my hair pretty much every single day, and sometimes I put it into like a little bit of a ponytail. I do not really know how to curl my hair, so I'm pretty much just a straight kind of girl. It's easy, it's convenient, it takes like no time at all. But after I'm done doing my hair, I will go into my bedroom and start to make my bed. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about the company that is sponsoring today's video. So I want to go ahead and thank Tara for sponsoring today's video and sending me this pillow. So they sent this orthopedic memory foam pillow to me. It came right to my door in this box, which is super convenient that I didn't have to go out to pick up this pillow, especially in the times right now. You can just go ahead and order online and it shows up on your doorstep. So this pillow has so many different benefits to you, and I'm not sure if you guys are like me, and I never put into consideration that having stress can be caused by the way you sleep at nighttime. The pillows that you use, it can go ahead and put pressure on your joints and your shoulders and your neck, and you can wake up and you can be stressed and your joints and things like that can hurt. So having a nice comfy pillow is really essential to your overall health, and I'm so glad that they sent this to me because I've been sleeping with terrible pillows. Some mornings I wake up and my neck hurts and my head hurts, but I'm so excited to continue to use this. I have been using this for a few nights now. I even took a pregnancy nap with it yesterday. I got some makeup on it, but it's totally fine because it actually comes with a removable washable cover. So you can go ahead and unzip the back of this, take it off, throw it in the wash, which is perfect, especially for us pregnant mamas that literally just crash at any time during the day with our makeup on. Or if you have little ones, or if you're breastfeeding or anything like that, it is just so nice to go ahead and be able to take this off and throw it in the wash. Some of the other benefits that this pillow has is that the memory foam regulates its temperature. Like I said, you can take the cover off and wash it. It will help reduce stress. Like I said before, using a pillow can go ahead and really irritate and put pressure on your joints and things like that. So having a nice pillow will go ahead and help you with that, especially if you're older or if you're pregnant like myself. You know that you can become really uncomfortable while sleeping. You also do not have to sleep with this just on your back. You can go ahead and sleep with it on your side. You can sleep with it on your stomach. There's so many ways to use this pillow. It is so versatile, which I absolutely love. Like I said, waking up in the morning just feeling refreshed and having your energy be boosted is perfect to go ahead and start your morning routine in the best way possible. So I'm so excited to continue to use this pillow. I'm so thankful that they sent it to me. I will have all of their information linked down in the description box below, so you can go ahead and get your hands on one of these pillows. And like I said, it comes to you in a box. You do not have to go anywhere, which is super convenient, especially during this time. Or it would make a really good Christmas gift. And now that it is Christmas time, go ahead and order one of these for your parents or your grandparents, or even for yourself. Treat yourself this holiday season. But thank you, Tara, for sponsoring today's video and sending me this pillow. I cannot wait to keep using it. Joel used it this morning, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to go ahead and get him one so he does not try to steal mine all of the time. Evelyn was even watching a movie in here today, and she was laying on it, so the whole family approves, which is really nice. But like I said, I will have everything down in the description box below for you guys, and let's get back into our morning routine. I really cannot say enough about that pillow. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a few days now, and it has been great. If you guys are having trouble sleeping and you're not sure what the problem is, I'm telling you, go ahead and get a new pillow. Go ahead and get this one. I will have everything linked down in the description box. Having a new pillow seriously makes a difference. If you're like me and you are using really cheap pillows before this and not getting a good night's sleep or waking up with your neck being stiff and things like that, I'm telling you, a new pillow will be your new favorite thing. So now I'm going to go ahead, and I feel like if my bed is not made and my dishes are not done, then my house is not clean. So I have to go ahead and make the bed every single morning. So that is now what I do during this part of the morning routine.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my
So at nighttime, I will go ahead and take whatever is in the wash and throw it in the dryer. And then in the morning, I will go ahead and fold that load and then put another load in the washer and do a full complete load for the day. That's typically all I have to do. That's typically all I try to do because I absolutely hate laundry. And if I have too much of it piled up, I get super overwhelmed. So I try to do a little bit each day and it works out for me. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' morning routine looks like and if you have laundry in it.
forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
So this next part of the morning routine is not something that I do every single morning. It is honestly only if I remember to do it. And I love making my daughter's bed. There's just something about putting all of her blankets and her stuffed animals and making it all comfy and cozy. I just love making her bed. I just think it's so cute to see everything come together. And then at nighttime when you untuck it and tuck her in, it's just like the best thing ever. But I got this bed from Coco Village. It is, I think they have it's one of their 4 colors that they have. They have like a pink one. I really wanted the pink one, but it was out of stock and it was like back ordered until January and I couldn't wait any longer. It did take a few weeks to come in. I think it ended up taking like 5 weeks for this bed to come in, but so far she has loved it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So while I'm doing some cleaning around the house, Evelyn jumps on her iPad for only about 15 to 20 minutes. Most of the time she is playing games on it. We just got her this new letter game where she can like build words and things like that. Other times she is watching YouTube. I actually just had to go through and remove some of the like videos and channels that she watches because she was picking up on some of these videos. Like the one has a little girl in it and this little girl has a major attitude, and Evelyn started like copying and repeating things that she was doing. So I had to go on and go through and filter out some of those videos. But the next thing I go ahead and do is just jump in the kitchen and kind of give it a nice quick clean. If I'm not filming this day for a cleaning video, I'll go ahead and just quickly do a nice clean in here and just make sure that everything is like picked up and wiped down and ready to go for the day.
Bye, bye, bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure.
At this point, it is around 9 a.m. and this is typically when our morning routine is coming to an end and we are starting to get ready for our day to start. Half of the time we are just sitting at home as a family, just hanging out, doing things around the house. Some days we'll go out and like pick up lunch and things like that, but most of the time we are just staying home, hanging out as a family. But I hope you guys enjoyed this mommy morning routine. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to go ahead and click the link in the description box below to go ahead and get your Sutera pillow. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time in my next video. Bye guys.